guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is NK. Today we're starting a brand new vlog. We have a few apartment updates, but right now I'm gonna go to the gym. I haven't worked out in 5 days, but it's because I've been so sore from bouldering. I have also realized that not working out put me in a negative mind space. When I work out, I feel better. You get the endorphins flowing. In May's Mental Health Awareness Month, so in my vlogs this month, I really want to emphasize that as much as I can. So welcome back to a new vlog. Let's go to the gym. Here is my gym outfit. I love these. Really like this. Also decided to put on this hair tie. Let's get out there. Okay, let's go. I already have therapy homework, which I love. It's gonna continue to help me work on things that have been hard and things that I'm struggling with. So I'm logging in to look at my assignments and what I should be focusing on for today and this week. One of the assignments is taking an attachment style quiz, and I realize I've never taken one. This is actually going to be really insightful to figure out like what type of attachment style I have, where a lot of my past trauma probably comes from. Really exciting stuff, but good things I need to be doing. All right, let's start this quiz. Wow, let's finish the quiz. Those are kind of painful questions to answer, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully by doing this, this is just one step closer to figuring out some of the struggles I've been facing and work towards them. Oh, that was kind of heavy. Update. I just started crying. That is me being so honest. It's a little puppy. I cleaned myself up and now I have a call. So we're gonna hop on that right now. I recently moved to New York City, and while it's an exciting new chapter, it's also come with its fair share of challenges. Making new friends, adjusting to the fast-paced lifestyle, and finding my place in the city has left me overwhelmed and lonely at times. A few years ago, I went through a similar period of transition, and I found therapy to be incredibly helpful to navigating those emotions. That's where BetterHelp comes in. BetterHelp is the sponsor of today's video, and they're an online therapy platform that makes it easy to connect with a licensed therapist from the comfort of your home. Whether you prefer video calls, phone chats, or even messaging, BetterHelp has a therapy option that works for you. With over 30,000 therapists in their network, BetterHelp can match you with someone who understands your unique needs and experiences. And if you don't feel like your therapist is the right fit, you can easily switch to someone new at no additional cost. I'm excited to start this new chapter of self-discovery and growth. I'm grateful to have BetterHelp as a resource to guide me along the way. If you're going through a challenging time or just want to prioritize your mental health, I encourage you to check out BetterHelp. Go to betterhelp.com/NK or select NK Madani at sign up for a special discount off your first month of therapy. And remember, taking care of yourself is never a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength.
Profile photos, so the main one that you use on the channel.
Okay, that seems easy and straightforward.
You still have full creative control.
Of course. Call went well. Now it's time to get ready to shoot a brand partnership. I can't. Whoa! Hey. Holy shit! This is massive. This is huge. Having a task rabbit come put this together, but I have to go see if it's even gonna fit. Well, you guys, it's been a very chaotic last hour and a half. I'm about to change to go to an event and also meet a creator along the way. Let me take you guys through my outfit. How fun. Because I usually just show up on camera with it, but this time I'm gonna show you guys each piece. I got this in the mail literally 10 minutes ago. I went to go grab it. How cute, there's a little slit on the side. These jeans, I've talked about them, but they're amazing. These fun shoes. These jeans. Hello? Oh, okay, it's for the bed frame, right? Don't mind me, FedEx is just at my door. I just put on deodorant, so I'm like, I cannot ruin this. Okay, cute. Should I leave my hair down? Leave my hair down because I just got it done. It looks so cute and chic.
I need to for today.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, that was very chaotic. But my storage bed is here. It's very heavy, so they have to bring it up. So let's go. At Do Not Feed the Alligators. It's such an aesthetic place. They don't allow laptops though. So I used it for a second and then had to put it away, but it is very vibey. So I'm meeting the creator here and then we're gonna go over to the event. Thank you. Look at that. That looks stunning. It's stunning. So cute. Go ahead. I'm gonna try. Yes, thank you. Love that. So we're at Fairfax for the event. This is the creator that I was talking about. Hi. That's better. Much better lighting. I know, we are like right by. Oh yeah. Okay, perfect. Hi you guys, I'm back from the event. I won't lie, I'm a little tipsy. I had 2 drinks. It was a really fun event. I met some people. I was social. I had a good time. I stayed there until the very end. Sometimes I don't think I'm gonna stay till the very end, but then when the things are just vibing, you lose track of time, which is basically what happened, but almost 9 o'clock. But they also gave us little goodie bags. Baseball hat, and you guys know how I feel about my baseball hats. Cute. In collaboration with In the Raw, which is a sweetener, an agave sweetener, Single and Fat, which is an olive oil company. And it was at Fairfax, which is in West Village. It's so cute. That was my first time there. I've walked by there so many times, but I'm glad I got to go there. I'm a big baseball hat girl. They gave us a tumbler. Tomorrow morning, we're mounting and we're building things. I'm so excited. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, good morning, you guys. Today is Thursday. It is 8:15 a.m. and we're gonna be building things today. I have task rabbits coming this morning. I'm looking forward to having it all done. I'll show you guys this shirt. I just got it on Amazon. It's so cute. This is a really flattering cut. Rabbits were so quick and precise and amazing. Keep this between us. There is a guy who works in the building that is so cute. He was the one who did like my inspection for the apartment before I officially moved in. Just in the elevator because I had to take down the boxes. We rode the elevator together. I had to just get that off my chest. Let's do this. Let's put the stuff in our storage bin. Here's the reveal. It actually fits everything, and then there's still some room. On makeup, I can see every single thing, which is exactly what I wanted. And then over here we have all of my jewelry. I can also lock it, which is nice. It just looks so much cleaner in here, so much more sleek. Having the mirror cabinet that high up, it draws your eyes up, so it makes the bathroom look even bigger. We have so much floor space. Our bed frame, our storage bed, I love it so much. It freed up so much space in the apartment. I literally took everything out of here, everything out of here, a good amount of jackets out, and put them in the storage bed. Have storage up here for the shoes. All of my scarves were here, them in the storage bed. More room for my purses and my towels, my lovely couch, and my lovely rug. I feel very accomplished. We did a lot today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe if you're new here. Also remember to thumbs up this video. There is so much more to come with the apartment series, but also just life in New York. If you like that kind of content, I hope you stay well, and I will see you guys in my next one.